Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0184O and color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a square shape. On its temples, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. On both sides, you'll also find the Gucci logo in the middle of the nose bridge in gold. On its inner right temple, you'll find the serial number and the Gucci logo, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is GG0184O, the color code, which is 001, and the dimensions of the frame. 50 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 115 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a purple Gucci case, although color and style may vary, a purple Gucci dust bag, a white Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci envelope which holds a Gucci card of authenticity and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.